Hi everyone, my name is Iman and this is the Iman Global YouTube channel. Welcome back to another AI tutorial. Please support my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started.
Do the characters' faces change from image to image when you use art generators and text-to-image services? This can be a real issue for anyone looking to develop consistent characters that remain stable across different settings. Don't worry at all. If you want to have a consistent character in different locations, this tutorial is for you. With newly developed techniques in text-to-image and AI art generation, it's now possible to maintain a character's unique features no matter the scene. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to leverage cutting-edge text-to-image and art generation tools to produce results with consistent characters. Through a special technique and standard solution, you can now describe your character and their surroundings, and be confident the generator will represent them accurately without variation between images. So whether you're an artist, storyteller, or just looking to explore generative media, follow along to learn how to fully realize consistent characters across new locations and adventures. First, we need to create an AI-generated character. Leonardo is a well-known art generator for image creation. So, we'll go to the Leonardo AI website. Using the Launch App button in the top right corner, we'll create an account and log in. Right now, creating an account on Leonardo AI is completely free. Once you create an account, you'll receive 150 tokens to use their services. After using up the 150 tokens, your account will be recharged with free tokens every 8 hours. From the left menu, click Image Creation because we'll use Leonardo's text-to-image service to generate a character. Leonardo's interface has recently been updated with a new design. If you're an old user and prefer the classic options, don't worry. By enabling the Legacy Mode option in the top right corner of the site, you can still access Leonardo's older interface. At the top of the page, you'll find a text box where you can type your prompt. The prompt is essentially your idea, which you describe in words, and an art generator like Leonardo will create an image based on it. You can even use AI tools like ChatGPT or Google Gemini to help you write your prompts. As you can see in the example, I asked ChatGPT to create a prompt based on my idea, and it quickly generated a well-structured text. I copied that text and pasted it into Leonardo's prompt box. You can interact with ChatGPT as much as you want and ask for different ideas. I've already typed my idea, so I'll now paste it into the prompt box in Leonardo's art generator. There are various models and styles available for generating images. Since we want the character's facial details to stay consistent in all scenes, it's best to use a model that handles portrait and close-up shots well. To do this, I select the Portrait Perfect option from the preset drop-down menu. From the preset style drop-down, I choose Portrait Cinematic. In the contrast drop-down, I set it to high, and for the generate mode, I select Fast. In the Image Dimensions section, you can choose an aspect ratio like square, vertical rectangle, or horizontal rectangle for the image. When you click on More, the Image Dimensions window expands, allowing you to set custom aspect ratios. You can even use preset ratios for platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, TV, and cinema. I choose the 16:9 aspect ratio and set the dimensions to medium 1280 by 720. In the Number of Images section, you can control how many images are generated each time. Manage this based on the number of tokens you have. I set it to 4. Next, I open the Advanced settings. Based on my experience with generating images, I choose Albedo Base XL from the model drop-down as it works really well. I also enable the negative prompt option, where I specify what I don't want in the image. For this case, I enter tattoo in the negative prompt field. After configuring everything, I click Generate. After a short wait, the generated images appear as thumbnails. If you're not satisfied with the results, you can click Generate again. I repeat this process a few times until I get a satisfying result. The first step is complete, and the image you're seeing, generated by Leonardo Art Generator, has been selected as the main character and reference. The character's facial features and overall appearance will be consistent across all future images. So, once we've created an image using Leonardo, how do we turn it into a consistent character? I'll now reveal the secrets of this technique. To create a consistent character, click on the small icon in the top left corner of the prompt box. A drop-down menu appears, and you'll click View More and select Character Reference. In the Select Image Input window, go to the Your Generations tab and choose the image you want to use as the consistent character. Now, Leonardo will use this image as a reference to ensure the character's face stays the same across all future images. After this, a thumbnail will appear in the top left of the prompt box. Click on the triangle icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu has 3 options: Low, Med, and High, which control how closely the future images will match the reference image. I set it to High to ensure that the character's face in the new images stays as similar as possible to the reference image. This is how we achieve a consistent character. Now, all you need to do is specify a new location for the character in the prompt. As you can see, I add a new location at the beginning of the prompt. Then I click Generate, and as you can see, the new images are generated with the character's face intact, but now in a new location, in this case, a cafe. If the images are not to your satisfaction, you can repeat the generation process until the art generator produces the desired result. I compare one of the newly generated images with the original reference image, and as you can see, the characters' faces are very similar, even though the location has changed. We now have a consistent character, and we can place this character in different locations while keeping the face consistent. I'm going to click the Generate button again to create some new images. Don't hold back, keep experimenting and repeating this process. The new image you see here is truly impressive. Let's compare it with the reference image. The result is absolutely stunning. I change the location in the prompt to a street, click Generate, and after a short wait, the new images appear. I review the images. And the character's facial features remain consistent, proving that we have a consistent character. I compare one of the newly generated street images with the original reference image, and once again, the character's face is nearly identical, despite the change in location. We still have a consistent character. I'm going to repeat the process of generating new images again. Achieving great results often requires trial and error. You might not get the desired outcome on your first try, but don't get discouraged. Instead, push forward with even more determination. As of the release of this tutorial, this method is a standard for creating consistent characters, though with the advancement of art generators like Leonardo, new techniques may emerge in the future. In addition to changing the location, I also adjusted the character's actions, placing them in different scenarios such as listening to music, making a phone call, playing chess, or working on a laptop. I encourage you to learn the method I've demonstrated in this tutorial and create consistent characters, placing them in entirely different situations. Leonardo AI has made it quick and easy for everyone to build consistent characters. If you found this tutorial helpful, please smash the like button and share it with anyone who might benefit. This video is just a drop in the ocean of tutorials coming soon to this channel. Want to learn more? Don't wait. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my future videos. Remember, AI is the future, so embrace it today. See you in the next tutorial.